Many believe the vastness of our oceans makes them impervious to human actions. They think the oceans can absorb our pollution and continue to teem with life, no matter the damage. This is a dangerous misconception. The reality is far more alarming. Our oceans are not limitless sinks for pollution, nor are they immune to the effects of a changing climate. The truth is, a silent scream echoes from the depths, a desperate plea for our attention and action. The ocean's silence is deceptive. Beneath the waves, a crisis unfolds, a tragedy of immense proportions that threatens not just marine life but the very balance of our planet. It's a story of disruption, loss, and the urgent need for change. Climate change is warming our oceans at an alarming rate. This rise in temperature sets off a chain reaction, disrupting the delicate balance that marine ecosystems rely on. Warmer waters absorb less carbon dioxide, leaving more of this heat-trapping gas in the atmosphere. This excess carbon dioxide acidifies the water, making it difficult for marine organisms to build their shells and skeletons. Imagine a world where coral reefs crumble, shellfish disappear, and the very foundation of the marine food web collapses. This is the terrifying reality we face if we continue on our current path. The ocean's chemistry is changing and the consequences are dire. We are witnessing the unraveling of a complex web of life that has taken millennia to evolve. Across the globe, marine species are struggling to adapt to rapidly changing ocean conditions. Polar bears, iconic symbols of the Arctic, face shrinking ice caps, their hunting grounds disappearing at an alarming rate. They are forced to swim further for food, leading to exhaustion and, in some cases, drowning. Sea turtles, ancient mariners who have roamed the oceans for millions of years, are now threatened by rising sea levels. Their nesting beaches are vanishing beneath the waves, jeopardizing future generations. These are just two examples of the countless marine species facing an uncertain future. From microscopic plankton to majestic whales, the effects of climate change cascade through the marine food web. The consequences are devastating, not just for marine life but also for the billions of people who depend on the ocean for their livelihoods and food security. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are among the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth. They provide food, shelter, and breeding grounds for countless marine species. However, these vibrant underwater cities are under siege from climate change. Warming waters cause coral bleaching, a phenomenon where corals expel the algae living in their tissues, turning them a ghostly white. Without these algae, corals lose their primary source of food and become more susceptible to disease. The loss of coral reefs would be catastrophic. It would mean the collapse of entire ecosystems, the disappearance of vital fishing grounds, and the loss of natural barriers that protect coastlines from storms and erosion. The future of coral reefs and the countless species that depend on them hangs in the balance. The evidence is irrefutable. Climate change is rapidly transforming our oceans, pushing marine ecosystems to the brink. The time for complacency is long gone. We are in a race against time to avert catastrophe. The future of our oceans and indeed our planet depends on the choices we make today. We must act now to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, transition to clean energy sources, and protect our remaining marine environments. The challenge is immense, but so too is the potential for positive change. Every action we take, no matter how small, can make a difference. By reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable practices, and advocating for change, we can help turn the tide and secure a healthier future for our oceans and ourselves. The fate of our oceans is not predetermined, it lies in our hands. We have the power to choose a different path, one that prioritizes the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. Let us embrace this responsibility with courage, determination, and a deep sense of urgency. The ocean's silent scream is a call to action, a plea for us to protect the wonders of the underwater world. Let us not turn a deaf ear to this desperate cry. Let us answer with a resounding commitment to change, ensuring that the vibrant tapestry of life in our oceans continues to thrive for generations to come. The time to act is now. The future of our oceans and our planet depends on it.